Let's take a look at this one. We want to rationalize the denominator and simplify afterward. So we try to do something to get rid of the radical in the denominator. We see that in the denominator we have a radical x. Well, how can I get rid of this radical? I need to multiply by the conjugate. The conjugate would be 3 radical x plus 2. Now, but if I do that on the denominator, I have to do the same thing on the top. So we multiply both the numerator and denominator by the conjugate. Well, we are relying on the special product. A plus b times a minus b, that will give a squared minus b squared. By doing this, we would have a chance to get rid of the radical in the denominator. So let's times them together. On the top, I have 6 times 3 radical x plus 2, and then the whole thing over. Now we have the a minus b times a plus b, so that would becomes a squared. Well, the a would be 3 radical x. So we have 3 radical x in parentheses square minus the b would be 2. So we have 2 in parentheses square. So let's continue. The numerator remains the same. We have 6 times 3 radical x plus 2. We probably don't want to distribute the 6 into the parentheses because later on we might find something that we can reduce. 3 radical x in parentheses square, so that would becomes 9x. 3 squared is 9, radical x squared, then the radical will be disappear. Minus 2 squared would be 4. Now if we take a look at this, is there anything that we can reduce? Can we reduce the 6 and the 9? Or maybe the 6 and the 4? The answer would be no. In the denominator, we have two terms. We have 9x minus 4. So we cannot reduce like that. So that probably would be the answer. Or at the very end, if you like, you can distribute the 6 into the parentheses and make it becomes 18 radical x plus 12, and then over 9x minus 4. Okay, so either one should be the acceptable answer.